I am fortunate enough to be a customer of Able Plumbing Services, and I have also used their electrical services, so I guess I am what you would call double blessed. I have much to say about their customer service because that's the number one thing that I care about is customer service. And not only did they deliver good customer service, they came when they said they would come. They did what they said they would do, and they delivered the services they said they would deliver. Having said all of that about customer service, I guess the most important thing that you could say about any company is, would you recommend them to your friends? And without a doubt, I would recommend Able not only to my friends, but to just about anybody that I would meet that would ask me about plumbing and electrical problems. And I guess that's the best you could say about any company.